Hey guys, those who know us know that we like to cook. I got this big mess going on here. We're gonna try to fix it. First things first, we gotta get all the stuff out of here. So my idea is to cut a hole in the side of the cabinet here, make a brand new door where I can access all of my spices when I'm cooking. So wish me luck, no going back. Now we got a big old hole, so now I gotta take it to the garage and make a door to cover it up. So we got this pretty much finished. I was able to take the old cabinet, split it in half, to where now I can have all my spices facing this way, and I don't have to reach all the way to the back of the old cabinet to reach what I need. A little paint, and this project's pretty much done.